Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, family, friends, here on JJ's PC Builds. Just want to say good morning and let you know I'm getting better slowly but surely. It's been kind of rough, having the snip done on you. Basically, it's been a hard time sitting down, but I've been trying to do these videos, because I just had that surgery done and everything else, you know how it goes. But anyway, I just want to say if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours means watch the video from beginning to end, would be much appreciated, help the channel grow, and as it goes. Okay, one thing off the top I want to get out of the way just to let y'all know. Okay, if you don't like the videos that I make, then I understand you telling me about it. I understand you voicing your concerns, and it's appreciated. Okay, don't get it wrong, it is appreciated. But I understand you all are waiting for me to do a build. I know, but like I said, I'm working off of my finances, which is on a set budget, and right now, money's tight, so be patient with me, please, please, please. Be patient with me until I can get my endeavors over here sorted so I can get going on with the build I want to do. Okay, I'm not asking none of my subscribers for money or anything else. I'm trying to do this to where I can do it on my own. This way you all can see me doing it on my own, so you understand that, I am contributing into the channel. But the best way you can help me, to help contribute to the channel would be to subscribe, watch the videos, put positive likes on them. I know I'm not the best in the world when it comes to making videos. Okay, I'm just gonna put this right off the top. I know I'm not the best in making videos. I know I'm not the best making thumbnails, and everything else. I got one camera. I got one PC. Well, I got two PCs, but I use one PC to do these videos. And, I do the best I can. Okay, I am an old man. I do have medical problems, but I do the best I can to make these videos for you all. It's not like that I'm kind of slacking or anything else. I'm not trying to slack. I'm trying to make it to where I get back to making one video a day, or maybe two, and try to keep y'all up to date and up to speed on everything that's going on around here. I'm just letting you know what's happening. I do have upcoming doctor's visits and stuff like that, so you have to understand my real life. I have to take care of that first. I have to take care of my health, because if I don't, then what'll happen is this: y'all won't be able to see me post any videos. Then y'all be wondering what's going on and everything else, and let's not go into this direction. So just to let you know, I am here. I am ready to make this video today. I'm spending a couple minutes with you all just to explain what's going on. Okay, I can understand if you don't want to subscribe. I understand. Hey, I understand. Okay, because you want to see me perform like the other YouTubers that have been out here for 10, 15 years. I've only been doing this 7 months. Okay, in 7 months' time, I have to accumulate everything to, start doing it the way they do it. But I don't want to do it the way they do it. I want to do it the way I do it. Okay? Now, I know if you're under 18, and let me explain this to you. Little children understand this. The ones that are under 18, the ones that are making snide remarks and everything else, the thing is this: you're still living with mommy and daddy. I'm living on my own. Okay? I'm not saying this to be rude or anything. I'm just saying it is point blank. You got security. I don't. I have to work on the budget I have. And that's the way the real world works. So if you're left with the budget that you have to pay your bills and everything else, and then when it comes to, trying to get stuff for your channel, what am I going to do first? I'm going to pay my bills first before I decide to get things to do these builds. Okay? I'd rather pay my bills first than have to worry about being on the street and then trying to do these builds. See, that's how the real world works. Just to let you know. So if you're patient enough and you wait long enough, you'll see that I'll start doing builds. I do have this one coming up here. I got it on my shelf. I'm just waiting to get the parts, so, and the parts are not going to be cheap. This is probably going to be like a $500 or $600 build. So, we all have to save up our money because this is how we can do our builds. Okay, I just want you to understand that. Okay, don't get butthurt and putting comments in there. I ain't gonna subscribe or whatever. Whatever. If you're not gonna subscribe, then don't leave your comment. Okay, that's the way I put it. If you don't like the video, then I can understand you don't like the video. But there are many people that do like my videos. And I do appreciate all my subscribers. And I do appreciate them joining into the family. Okay? I make these videos for the ones that subscribe to me. Okay? And I don't charge them for that. Okay? I do my best to keep them up to date. I just wanted to get this video out here so you understand where I'm coming from with this. Okay, my subscribers will understand. Okay, but there are some people that don't want to subscribe because they want to make comments and everything else that are under the age of 18 that don't even know how to, they're not even old enough to drink. So if you're under 18 and you're watching my videos and you don't like them, well then don't subscribe. There's plenty of people out here that will subscribe to my channel, that will appreciate the way I do my videos. And later on down the road when my channel gets more popular and everything else, but guess what? Guess what's going to happen? I'm going to be able to do more things. And as time progresses, things will pick up and I'll be able to do more things. Like more builds. I'll have to where, I'll get sponsorship and everything else. I'm just going to keep making the videos the way I'm making the videos and doing my best, the best that I can for now. Okay. Now that I spent 8 minutes explaining myself on what's going on over here so you all understand what's going on over here. Okay? I've already got plans to redeco this room. I've already got plans to do that. I've already got many plans, to do backdrops and stuff like that, and everything else. Okay? So, be patient. I have a lot of things in the works. And also, too, I'm going to have, as soon as we get monetized on JJ's PC Builds, I'm going to open up a little store and put knickknacks in there. And if y'all want to help the channel out, then you can go and, buy little knickknacks. Okay, like shirts or hats or stuff like that. Okay, that's in the future. That's when we get monetized. So this is just working up to the monetization part. Okay? We're working up to the monetization part. I wanted to get that out in the open so y'all understand what's going on. Also, too, I've been running live videos on Thursdays. I'm getting 1 or 2 people coming on, for the live videos. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna tell y'all right now on this video. On Thursdays, I'm gonna postpone live videos until we get a little bit more, people that are going to be active to come up on the videos, for the live videos. I'm doing this because I'm not getting no more than maybe 25 to 30 after the live video is done. After. I get more on just making a video, more viewers on just making a video than I do doing a live video. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's my face. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what's going on? But I'm just letting you know, this is what my thoughts are. This is going to be my little confession to y'all, so you all understand. I'm not doing, I'm doing the best I can, and I hope y'all understand. I am an old man. I am doing the best. So, as far as doing builds and everything else, I have done already 3 builds. Okay, I built a PC for a friend. I have built a PC for another neighbor. And I've built my PC as well. And rebuilt and upgraded my other PC. Okay, so when I get to the point to where I have a second camera, which I'm working on, I'm almost there. I'm gonna take this build that I have over here. I'm gonna show you all. I'm gonna move this mic over so you all see this. Hold on. I have this in my hands. This is an E-machine. This is a sleeper build. I am going to convert this right here. I am going to convert this over to a new Intel system. This is going to become an Intel system. This one right here. This is going to become an Intel system. So I'm not sure if I want to do 11th, 10th, 12th, or 13th gen. So right now I'm looking around, seeing what the best prices are. And probably if the prices are good, I'll probably do probably 10th or 11th gen, or maybe 12th. So I'm kind of up in the air about the 3. I don't really want to do the 13th gen just yet, because I want to take and build an older, at least 1 year older for this system. So this way it turns out better than I could expect. I'm going to make it, to where I can use put that back there. And the system's not scratched or anything, and it's really nice. So I figured that I can do some modifications to it. That's going to be my number 1 build. I know I still got to do the front to this computer here. I know I'm going to do that too. And I know everybody's waiting to see that. And make sure y'all got your drink. I got mine. But that's what I got cooking right now. Want to get monetized, get a store open, so that way I can do some creativity there. I want to get this sleeper build going. As soon as I get the parts, I'll take you all along with me, and it's going to be probably more than one part. I'll probably do it in a couple parts, because I can tell you the first part's going to be disassembly. The second part's going to be, showing you all what I got going in the system, and probably another part would be constructing it and putting it together. Or if y'all can leave a comment below in this video and let me know on the sleeper build, should I do it all one video from disassembly to reassembly, or should I do it in 3 parts? Now, I do remind you, YouTube will let me go up to 12 hours on a video. So with keeping that in mind, this could be like maybe a 3-hour video, could be a 4-hour video. Depends on how long y'all really want to watch it. If you want me to put it all together, let me know. If you want me to put it together in parts, I can do that too. Just leave your comment, let me know, and we'll go from there. So now I got that out of the way. Also too, with the live feed, I tried it for at least a month and a half. I've gotten maybe on the live feed maybe 4 or 5. Nobody's really coming on to the live feed. I know it doesn't pop up right away because I wasn't sure if it was going to be to where everybody was going to jump on, and get onto the feed. So just to let you know what's happening. Thursdays, I'm going to suspend the live feed. Y'all let me know in the comments below when's the best day for everybody, all the subscribers. What's your best day that you have free time to watch live videos? Y'all leave your comment below, let me know, and we can go from there. So this video is just an informal video to let all my subscribers know what's going on, what I had in my mind, and everything else. It's not calling anybody out or anything else. I'm not using any names, and I'm not making fun of anybody or anything else. It's just a matter of me getting this off of my mind and telling you all what's going on and what's going to be coming up and what's going to be happening, so you all can understand where I'm coming from. But it is a 20-minute video, so it is a short one. I'm just letting you know what's happening here. So we're going to conclude like this. If you like my videos, you can subscribe and check out my videos. Watch them from beginning to end. I know some of them don't make sense to some people, but some people they do. But understand this. This is just my opinions. When I put them out there, I do it in my own way. But this is just a build. This is just a build process right now. So I'm just seeing which way I want to do things. Okay. So when it comes to, let's say a year goes by, and I'm fully monetized, then I can see which way we can swing how the channel's going to go. So be patient. I'm working things out here. It's taking time. So be patient. And don't forget, if you like the videos, subscribe. If you watch them beginning to end, would help the channel grow, get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, we go monetized. And that's what we're working towards. So help the channel out, help us get monetized. Until the next time and the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next one.